Good morning, students. Welcome in pharmacognosy lecture. In last lecture, we have studied about the antirheumatics and anti-tumor drugs. Antirheumatic drug is the Gugul and Colchicum, and anti-tumor drug is Vinca. These drugs we have already discussed in last lecture. Now I will start the today's part of pharmacognosy, that is antiseptics and disinfectants drugs. Okay, and drugs are benzoin, myrrh, and neem. Okay, now see the first is benzoin. What is the synonym of benzoin? Sumatra benzoin and Loban. Okay, these are the synonym of benzoin. Next is the biological source. Which is the biological source of benzoin? Benzoin is a balsamic resin obtained from the Styrax benzoin dry and or Styrax perler Perkins and other species of the Styrax known in the market as Sumatra benzoin, or it may be also contains the balsamic resins from Styrax tokinesis and other species commercially known as Siam benzoin belonging to the family Styraceae. Okay, which is the family Styraceae. These are the biological source of benzoin, which benzoin is the balsamic resins obtained from the Styrax benzoin dry and or Styrax parallelonarius Perkins and other species of the Styrax known in the markets as Sumatra benzoin, or it may also contains the balsamic resins from the Styrax tonkinesis and other species commercially known as Siam benzoin and belonging to the family Styraceae. Okay, then next is the chemical constituents of benzoin. Okay, here are the chemical structures of the benzoin. First is the coniferyl alcohol, second coniferyl benzoate, third is the benzoic acid, and last is the cinnamic acid. Okay, then in second chart, sumarezenolic acid. This structure are the sumarezinolic acid. Okay, these are the chemical constituents of the benzoin. Sumatra benzoin contains free balsamic acid, that is benzoic and cinnamic acids, and esters derived from them. Triterpenoids acids such as sumarezinolic and cyrarezinolic acids are also present. The major constituents of the Siam benzoin is an ester coniferyl benzoate, about 76%, and the drug also contains styrol, vanillin, and phenyl propyl cinnamate. Okay, these are the chemical constituents of the benzoin. Then next is the identification. First is the alcoholic solution of benzoin with water gives milky white solution. First, alcoholic solution of benzoin with water gives milky white solution. Second identification test is the heat a small quantity of benzoin in a test tube, covering opening of the test tube with a glass plates, cool the contents of the test tubes, then examine the glass plates under the microscope. The crystals of cinnamic acid shall be observed. These are the second identification test. Then third, 2.5 gram of the benzoin, add 10 ml of the ether, shake it well and pour 2 to 3 ml of this extract in a porcelain dish. Then add 2 to 3 drop of the sulfuric acid. A deep brown color is produced in case of Sumatra benzoin, and deep purplish red color is obtained in case of Siam benzoin. Okay, then last identification is add 4 ml of solution of potassium permanganate to 1 gram of benzoin and warm. Then odor of the benzaldehyde is produced in case of Sumatra benzoin. Okay, these are the identification. Then last is the use of benzoin. Benzoin is an irritating expectorant, a carminative and diuretic. It is also used externally as an antiseptic and a protective. Then it is used in the form of compound tinctures of benzoin and as an inhalation. Then specifically in the treatment of upper respiratory tract infection. Then it is preferred to retard the rancidity of the fats and oil in the preparation of benzoate lard. Then industrially, it is used to fix the odor of incense, soap, perfumes, and several other cosmetics, and to mask the taste of pharmaceutical preparations. Okay, these are the use of benzoin. What is the use? Benzoin is an irritating expectorant and a carminative and diuretic. It is also used in the externally as an antiseptic and a protective. Then it is used in the form of compound tinctures and benzoin, and as an inhalation specifically in the treatment of upper respiratory tract infection. It is preferred to retard the rancidity of fats and oils in the preparation of benzoate lards. Okay. In industrially, it is used to fix odor of incense, soap, perfumes, and several other cosmetics, and to mask the taste of pharmaceutical preparations. Okay, these all are about the benzoin. Okay, synonym: biological source, chemical constituents with structure, and identification test, and last is the use. Okay. Okay, these are the first antiseptic and disinfectant drug. Then next is the mir. Okay, synonym of mir. What is the synonym of mir? Gum mir, bol mitra. Okay, which is the synonym of mir? Gum mir, bol and mitra. Then biological source of mir. Mir is an oleogum resin obtained from the Comifera molmol, anglers, and from other Comifera species, and it belongs to family Bruceraceae. Okay, which is the biological source of mir? Mir is an oleogum resin obtained from the Comifera molmol, anglers, and from other Comifera species, and it belongs to family Bruceraceae. Then chemical constituents of mir. Mir contains about the 10% of the yellowish thick volatile oil. Okay, mir contains about 10% of the thick yellowish thick volatile oil, 60% of the gum, and 20 to 40% of the resins and bitter principle, that is about 3 to 4%. Then it contains several impurities constituting about the 5% of the drug. Resins contains ether soluble resin acid, alpha, beta, and gamma comiferoic acid. The alpha and beta hirabomiriholic acid are ether insoluble acid present in the resin. The volatile oil contains terpenes, cuminic aldehyde, eugenol, etc. Then the gum is associated with the oxidized enzymes. It yields not more than 70% of the alcohol insoluble matter. Then identification test of mir. First is the when about 0.1 gram of the substance and 0.5 gram of the sand are triturated with the solvent ether, then filtered and allowed to evaporate, the thin film formed gives violet color on contact with bromine vapor. Which test first is firstly when about 0.1 gram of the substance and 0.5 gram of the sand are triturated with solvent ether, then filtered and allowed to evaporate, the thin film formed gives violet color on contact with bromine vapors. When second is the second identification: when triturated with water, it forms yellowish brown emulsion. Okay, when triturated with water, then formation of yellowish brown emulsion. Then last is the use of mir. What is the use of mir? It is used as a stimulant and an antiseptic. Okay, what is used? It is used as an stimulant and an antiseptic. It is also protective. Mir is astringent to the mucous membrane, and hence its tinctures is used in the mouthwashes and gargles. Okay, these are the use. Okay, these all are about the mir. Then last is the neem. Okay, neem drug we have already discussed in practical or in lecture. Okay, so I will repeat again. synonym of neem, morgaso. Okay, synonym of neem is the morgosa. Then biological source, it consists of all aerial parts of the plant known as Directa indica, and family is the Meliaceae. Which biological source of neem? It consists of all aerial parts of the plant known as Directa indica, and family is the Meliaceae. Then chemical constituents is azadirachtin, then selanin and nimbidine. Okay, these are the chemical constituents of the neem. Okay, then use. Okay, what is the use of neem? What is the use of neem? Recently, it has been studied scientifically and reported that the contains different chemical which have insect repellent, then insecticide, antifidant, then nematicide and antimicrobial properties. The seeds oil has spermicidal activity. Okay, what is the use of neem? Insect repellent, insecticide, antifidant, nematicide, and antimicrobial properties. The seeds oil has spermicidal activity. Okay, these are the use of neem. Okay, in today's lecture we have studied the benzoin, myrrh, and neem. Okay, now I will stop here. Thank you.